Welcome back to Session 2. Today, we are diving into how to put the STM32H7 into dual-core debug mode. We will be using STM32CubeMX, STM32CubeIDE, and the STM32H7 discovery kit for this tutorial. Just a quick note, the latest version of STM32CubeIDE is 1.16.1, but it might have compatibility issues with the TouchGFX 4.20.1 and the STM32CubeMX 6.12.1 version we will use in the feature section. For this series, we will stick to STM32CubeMX 6.12.0, STM32CubeIDE 1.16.1, and TouchGFX 4.12.0. Please keep it in mind. Alright, let's jump into today's session.
At first, I turn on the CubeIDE and create a new project. At this window, let me click the board selection and type H747 and choose DISCO and click the board. Then click Start Project. This dialog, I will click No, and it will load ICO. Okay, let me set the clock. I will use the crystal, so I choose crystal, and then set the clock time base to 6 tick. That's okay. And I will choose the debug port. Debug port, I will use the SWD, so I select a serial wire, and then we set the clock. Because I use the external crystal, so I choose the HSE, and it set the clock from PLL, and set the main clock to 400 megahertz. Okay. We need to give the project name at this, so I type TUT1 debug. TUT1 debug. I will use the CubeIDE, so in this item I need to select CubeIDE, then click Gen Code. After the project is created, it will show the window, and we can click Open Project. And this window, I will type the workspace directory and click launch. Okay, if we import the project to the workspace, at first I need to compile the code to check if the code is okay. So I turn on the main file at the M7 and click the icon to build M7 code. If I see the message in this window, that's mean the code is fine and the build is okay. Then open the main function file at M4 core, M4 core project, and click build icon. Then we can see this message. That means M4 core is build okay. Then I click the main file at the M7 and choose the debug icon and click configuration. In this window, I will double click this icon. It will generate a new debug configuration for M7. So in this window, I need to set the type and hold all cores. So I need to check choose this item. Then click apply and close. Then click the stop and add the image, M4 image. That means if I download the M7 image to MCU, it will also download M4 image to MCU at the same time. So if the setting is fine, click apply and close. Then we need to set the M4 debug config. Oh, sorry. I need to click the M4 file. M4 file and choose debug configuration. Then double click this item. It will create a new debug configuration M4. And I need to change this number to 8 and choose the type, the reset behavior to none, and click stop. Didn't need to download the M4 image, so double click this icon and uncheck download. Then click OK and apply and close. Okay, so all the debug setting. Let me try if it is okay. Let's go to run debug mode. At first, we click the debug icon and choose debug configuration and click M7 item, then click debug. It will start to download the image to MCU and will jump this window. We can click remind my decision and click switch. It will change the window to debug window. Then I click the debug icon and choose M4 item. Then click the debug. After M4 debug is running, it will show this item at the M7 core. It will stop at this line, and the M4 core is stop at this line. So if we want to start debug, we can click M7 item and the M4 item, then click resume. It will go. So we can see the M7 core is running and the M4 core is running. If I want to stop the debug mode, we can click the M7 item and click terminated icon. It will stop M7 core, and then click the item M4 item and click terminate. It will stop M4 core debug mode. After stopping this code, it will return to code editor window. That's all how to use CubeIDE to run dual core debug. If you have any question, you can let the message at the YouTube. Thank you.